Hey guys, welcome back to T, and today I'll be telling you the third step that you need to follow to get more views on Quora. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the third step that you need to follow to get more views on Quora is that you always need to add one or three pictures in your answer or in your post. So it makes it more attractive and then stops the viewers from scrolling down, and then you have a better chance of getting more views and upwards. So guys, what I mean by that is that while the viewer is scrolling down, I mean in the space, so and then suddenly they see a picture where they seems to like it, so maybe that's in your post, so they stop a little bit and then open your post and then read what's in there, and if it is good and if it is true, they will upvote the answer, or else they will downvote it for sure. But the thing is that you get more views when they stop scrolling down and then go to the post. So guys, it's the same with the answer, so I recommend you adding one or two pictures in maximum one picture, I mean minimum one picture in a post, because it makes it more attractive. So if I go to my Quora profile, so guys, now in my Quora profile, as you can clearly see, now I have 655k content views. So guys, recently I posted an answer which was on Friday, and it was on how is gold made, where does it come from. So guys, as you can clearly see, I have included some answers, I mean some many answers. So then, and also sorry guys, because some of my friends replied, so I'm gonna blur it out. So guys, now I have added a picture of gold, and guys, if I go to the section where all my answers are shown, in every single answer there's a picture. I include a picture in every single answer because it makes it more attractive. And also, by the way guys, that picture that you are including should be attractive and nice, and then should describe what's in this answer. And if you add a irrelevant picture in the post, which I mean which doesn't have anything to do with the answer and then the content in the answer, then you might get a downvote. Um so look on that. So yeah, as you can clearly see, in every one single my answer, in every single one of my answers, I have added one or two pictures. So guys, but the thing is that in my pinned answer, which I got the most views, I couldn't add it because it was the first few days where I joined Quora, like September 15, 2020. I mean, this was one of my first answers to write, and now it has 50.3k views, which is cheap, and but only 3 upvotes. That's the thing. So guys, somehow I have added up to 2 pictures in every single answer, and then in posts I have 93 posts. So guys, as you can clearly see, in posts I have shares, most of them are shares. Let me scroll down a bit. As you can clearly see from here, I have added, I think, yep, 2 pictures of Elon Musk and then Tim Cook. So yeah, in every post I have added up to 2 pictures, and here it's also Amazon. Even though it's an answer where you can't add a picture, you need to add something to the answer. Maybe it's like subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, which you guys should do now. And then if you type that in your answer, it's like self-promotion, but I don't recommend you doing that because it was the only thing that came to my mind. So if you do like that, simply maybe post, maybe add your channel banner, channel art. So my channel art is the triple tutorials. Let me go to my channel real quickly. So profile picture, and then your channel. So guys, if you go to my channel, you can see that this is the profile pic, I mean the channel art, which is triple tutorial. Sorry guys, it's the it's the channel share. Sorry, so sorry for that. So somehow you can see that this is my channel art. So I think I added a post like this. I think yeah, I self-promoted myself in one of the biggest there, this here. So this is one of my posts where I self-promoted myself. I'm self-promoted in one of the, I mean, the most followed Quora space, something like that. So yep, you can do this, do something like that, or else you can just add a name of a famous person and then include a picture of him or her. So yeah, I think you enjoyed this video, and also you got a knowledge about what is the third step to get more views on Quora. So if you enjoyed it, drop the thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel, so it helps me to make more content like this in the future. So guys, see you in the next video with another Quora or a Reddit video. I mean a Reddit content video. Sorry. Bye.
Bad little bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.